Hello YouTube, thanks for joining us as we review this new HMF dual quiet loop exhaust. I really liked the performance that I got from the MBRP Powertech 4. The only problem was that it really was noisy, and that constant droning noise while you're driving takes its toll on your hearing. This quiet loop is supposed to take 8 to 10 decibels off your factory exhaust. Okay. Okay, here it is with it on. In the cab, I registered 94 decibels before and 86 after. This new exhaust was exactly what I hoped for. It dramatically reduced the cab noise, and I'm very pleased with it. If anybody wants to reduce the sound in the cab, this is the way to go. I would highly recommend this slip-on exhaust setup. Thanks for watching.